Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your POCO F8 Ultra. So first, what we need to do, we need to adjust the brightness in these settings. So open up the settings app, now scroll down until you see display and brightness, and here you can control your brightness level in the brightness level settings. So here we have the screen brightness, we can click to change it. We can adjust it up to ourselves. So I'll keep it like that. Now make sure to disable the automatic brightness and sunlight mode because it will expand the brightness range, and automatic brightness will set it up automatically. So we definitely do not want that. Now if your screen is still flickering, what you guys can do is go over to Play Store, go to search and search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Here you need to press on the app. If you have a sponsored app right up top, it happened to me a lot of times, make sure to not click it. It's this app right here. Click install and it should install in less than 5 seconds. So it was instant. Let's click open and give the permissions. So the first one is to modify the system settings. Basically it's to allow the phone to control the brightness. Now let's grant the accessibility settings. Go to the downloaded apps and screen dimmer, click on use screen dimmer, and we just need to wait a couple of seconds. So I'll see you guys once it passes out. After that, all we have to do is leave the accessibility and grant the notification permissions. So click allow, click here, and now enable the service. As you guys can see, it does work. We can control our screen brightness just like that, and if we want to disable it, we just tap on the switch here and it'll go back to normal. But we need to first control our brightness, and now what we can do, we can uninstall the app just like that. So the last step is to check for software updates because it can fix a lot of issues, including your screen flickering. So go to About Phone, now click on the HyperOS, and I have no updates available, but if you do and you have a button to update, then make sure to do that because it may be a software issue. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.